What do we mean by learning? This is the first question to ask ourselves when we aim to design educational content effectively. Modern pedagogy overturns the traditional view of learning that places educational content and frontal teaching at the center. Instead, it offers a learner-centered approach, where the individual actively shapes the development of new skills by interacting in unique and personal ways with others, with the environment, and with technologies. This definition of learning, which focuses on the individual and emphasizes the context in which they are immersed, is known as contextual learning model. The contextual learning model defines the learner's experience by exploring three dimensions. The personal context. When we learn, new knowledge is built upon the learner's prior understanding, interests, and abilities. The social cultural context. What we learn is influenced by the way the learner shares their experience with others, peers and educators. Working together to solve challenges or problems enables the construction of shared meanings. The physical context. Learning is not an abstract process. It is shaped by the architecture of space we occupy, as well as the materials and technologies available to us. Technology can support all three dimensions, as it stimulates active participation, fosters teamwork, and engages both cognitive and physical interaction.